Sorry students, actually light was gone, electricity was gone, so it became dark. Now light has come. So once again guys, I'm telling or repeating that for those resources, that means the natural resources, for those resources we need not to pay. Those are the gifts of nature. We need not to pay, and those are the aspects of nature itself. But when the question of utility arises, utility means utilization arises, then the term human resource comes. Then we have to implement human resource to utilize or to convert the natural resource to other resources. So here the concept is clear, students. So which is called human resource. Human is, that means man is implementing his potential, his skill, his energy, then it is called the human resource. So guys, this much for today, your geography chapter 1, resource and development. Whatever the synopsis of the natural resource or the human resource I have explained. So now I am going to give you 5 questions based on today's lesson, and I hope that you have paid intense attention towards my lecture or my teaching. So if you have paid attention, then you can easily answer these questions, 5 questions, short answer type questions. So guys, the notebook is already open before you. So the first question is, what is resource? What is resource? Question 2. Give any 5 common example of resource. Give any 5 examples. Give any 5 common examples of resource. 3. Question 3. What is utility? What is utility? Question 4. What is natural resource? Question 4. What is natural resource? In the same line, give any 3 examples of natural resource. Give any 3 examples of natural resource. Question 5. What aspects of nature are not countable in economic resource? What aspects of nature are not countable in economic resource? Students, the last question I am explaining in brief before you on the basis of my teaching or explanation. You can answer this question, the last question, that what aspects of nature are not countable in economic resource. In this chapter or my teaching, I already mentioned that what is called economic resource. Hope you have already understood that. So the aspects of nature, that means you have visited in a picturesque place. Natural beauty is there, meadows, landscapes, river, rivulets, springs, or seashore, coastal region. you have visited, and you are enjoying those aspects of nature at this very moment. And those aspects of nature, they don't have any contribution in the field of economy. In the field of economy, there is no contribution. You are just enjoying the picturesque beauty, and you, after enjoying, to come back, return to a destination. That means those aspects of nature, those have no economic contribution, or the output is value for the nature, for the nation. It has value, natural beauty, but those or that value, it is for you, only your personal desire or fulfillment. So that is why these aspects of nature, they don't have any economic value. So that is why it is not countable in economic resource. It is not countable in economic resource, neither it is the natural resource. Is it clear to you guys? So already I have explained the question number 5. Hope you can answer the question also. So till then, up to here for the day. Stay safe, stay home. God bless you. Bye bye.